Namaskaram and good evening to all of you. I am Manasi, a student of Guru Srimati Revati Narasimhan, and it is my pleasure to welcome all of you to the 9th Natya Sudha Lahari Student Showcase presented to you by the students of Natya Niketan. Before we start the program, I would like to introduce to you our dance school and the performers for today. Natya Niketan, founded in 1977, has been a platform for learning, exploring and pursuing the traditional art of Bharatanatyam. Guided by Guru Srimati Revati Narasimhan, who has been tutoring students in this classical art form for over 4 decades now with the help and constant support from Sri Narasimhan, Natya Niketan recognizes and builds on the talent of young dancers throughout the city. Karnataka Kalashri Guru Srimati Revati Narasimhan is credited for her unique portrayals in Abhinaya, graceful expeditions in Nritta, and beautiful choreographies for which she has also won many awards. Natya Niketan has produced various dance dramas including Sri Ramanuja Vaibhavam, Sarvam Krishnamayam, and anniversary programs. This pandemic has not stopped young talent from being exhibited, but instead helped us to be more creative and bring to you an online Natya Sudha Lahari student showcase for you to witness the talent of these young dancers in the comfort of your homes. Our first performer for today, Vedika Shetty, has been learning under Guru Srimati Revati Narasimhan for 15 years now. She has completed her pre-Vidvat examination with distinction and is currently preparing for her Vidvat finals. She is a part of the Shivakami group and has performed in various Natya Niketan programs including the anniversary programs, Kinkini, Ganesha Chaturthi celebrations, Sri Ramanuja Vaibhavam, Trishakti and Sarvam Krishnamayam in Bangalore, Chennai and Udupi. Kumari Vedika is currently pursuing her BCom at PES University in Bangalore. She is also a student of Carnatic music under the guidance of Vidushi Srimati Shruti Raghavendran and has participated in many music programs. The first performance today is Ardhanarishwara. This Kriti pays salutations to both Goddess Parvati and Lord Shiva. Parvati, whose body shines like molten gold, who has well-dressed hair, whose body is smeared with musk and saffron, and to Shiva, whose body shines like burning camphor, who has a matted look. The song pays salutations to him, the father of the universe, who is divinely merged with Parvati, and to her, the mother of the universe, who is divinely merged with Shiva. Ardhanarishwara in Raga Ragamalika Tala Adi, composed by Guru Sri Shankaracharya. dancer Anagha P. Rao, who has been a student of Natyaniketan for the past 9 years. She has participated in various competitions including the Vastavam Dance Idol 2020 and other inter and intra-school and college competitions. Kumari Anagha has also performed as a part of the Natyaniketan anniversary programs. She is currently studying in her second PUC at Diksha Center for Learning, has completed her junior exam conducted by the Government of Karnataka with distinction and is currently preparing for her senior exam. Anagha will be performing a kriti, Tattadadamiki, that describes Lord Krishna. It speaks of the way his pearl necklace dances on his chest while he dances, how he wears a padaka on his chest, crown on his head, bangles and beautiful earrings. He also holds a shankha and a chakra on each of his hands and protects all the people who worship him. In Raga Sunada Vinodini, Tala Adi, Tattadadamiki, composed by Sri Purandara Dasaru.
ಕಂಕಣವಂತೆಯು ಕಿಂಕಿರಿಯವಾಗ ಶಂಖಚಕ್ರಧರ ಪಂಕಜಮಾಲೆ ಕಂಕಣವಂತೆಯು ಕಿಂಕಿರಿಯವಾಗ ಶಂಖಚಕ್ರಧರ ಪಂಕಜಮಾಲೆ ಶಂಖದುರಾಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ವೇದಾಂತ ವೇದ್ಯ ಕೃಷ್ಣದ ಕವಿ ವೇದಾಂತ ವೇದ್ಯ ಕೃಷ್ಣದ ಕವಿ ವೇದಾಂತ ವೇದ್ಯ ಕೃಷ್ಣದ ಕವಿ ಸಪ್ತಕ ದಿವಿಕಿ ದಿವಿಕಿಯೇ ಉದಗರಿಯಾಡಿದನೆ ಹರಿಯಾಡಿದನೆ ಹರಿಯಾಡಿದನೆ.
Meet our next performer, Shreya Kandrika. Shreya has been learning Bharatanatyam at Natyaniketan from the age of 6. After moving to the United States, she continued learning Bharatanatyam under Guru Srimati Mahima Nataraj. She has performed extensively at temples and various cultural events in the US and presented solos in notable events like Natyanjali, World Dance Day and many others for almost 4 years, after which she moved back to Bangalore and rejoined Natyaniketan. Currently studying in class 9 at National Public School, Jayanagar, she has actively participated in several events hosted by the school and has also won several prizes in solo singing and solo dance. Kumari Shreya is a multi-talented girl and is learning Carnatic classical music, the basics of Carnatic classical violin, ballet and piano. She enjoys playing tennis and excels in academics, essay writing and even art. Shreya will now be performing Shringapuradishwari Sharade in Raga Kalyani and Tala Adi. This Kriti is about Sharade, the preceding deity of Sringeri, who is the bestower of all boons. With feet resembling the lotus flower and served by Shankara, she is the mistress of all arts, bestower of wishes. This is Shringapuradishwari Sharade, composed by A.V. Krishnamachar.
शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरी शारदे शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरी शारदे शुभमङ्गले सर्वाभीष्टप्रदे शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरी शारदे शुभमङ्गले सर्वाभीष्टप्रदे शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरि शारदे शुभमङ्गले सर्वाभीष्टप्रदे शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरि शारदे शारदे शंकर सन्नुते श्रीपद्मचरणे शंकर सन्नुते श्रीपद्मचरणे शंकर सन्नुते श्रीपद्मचरणे सकलकला विशारदे वरदे सकलकला विशारदे सकलकला विशारदे सकलकला विशारदे
तत्तित्तरिगिड दादा तगदित्तरिगिड दीदी तत्तित्तरिगिड तगदित्तरिगिड तरिगिड तेरिगिड तेरिगिड तेरिगिड
सकलकला विशारदे निगरि निज निध निज निध बम पद निध बम गरि गम गम बम पद पद निगरि निज निध निज निध बम पद नि बम गरि गम गम बम पद पद निज सकलकला विशारदे वरदे सलह्यनताये सामगान प्रिये सलह्यनताये सामगान प्रिये शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरि शारदे शुभमङ्गले सर्वाभीष्टप्रदे शृङ्गपुराधीश्वरि शारदे शारदे करुणिसम्म श्रुतिगतिಗಳ ಮಾತೆ ಕರುಣಿಸಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರುತಿಗತಿಗಳ ಮಾತೆ ಗತಿಗಳ ಮಾತೆ
ತಳಂಗು ತಗದಗು ತಗತರಿ ಕಿಡದಗ ತತ್ತಿತ್ತ ಕನಗ ಜಂ ತರಿ ಕಿಡದಗ ಜಂ ತಚ್ಚಂ ತತ್ತರಿ ಕಿಡ ತತ್ತನ ಗಿಡ ತಚ್ಚನ ಗಿಡ ತರಿ ಗಿಡದಗ ತಗ ತಿತ್ತ ಕನಗ ಜಂ ತರಿ ಗಿಡದಗ ಜಂ ತಚ್ಚಂ ತತ್ತರಿ ಗಿಡ ತತ್ತನ ಗಿಡ ತಚ್ಚನ ಗಿಡ ತರಿ ಗಿಡದಗ ತತ್ತಿತ್ತ ಕನಗ ಜಂ ತರಿ ಗಿಡದಗ ಜಂ ತಚ್ಚಂ ತಗ ತಿತ್ತ ಕನಗ ಜಂ ತರಿ ಗಿಡದಗ ಜಂ ತಚ್ಚಂ ತತ್ತಿತ್ತ ಕನಗ ಜಂ ತರಿ ಗಿಡದಗ ತಗ ತಿತ್ತ ಕನಗ ಜಂ ತರಿ ಗಿಡದಗ ತದ್ದಿಂ ಗೆಣ್ಣತ್ತಂ ಕರದರುದಂ ತದ್ದಿಂ ಗೆಣ್ಣತ್ತಂ ಕರದರುದಂ ತಕ್ಕರದರುದಂ ತದ್ದಿಂ ಗೆಣ್ಣತ್ತಂ ಕರದರುದಂ ತಕ್ಕರದರುದಂ ತಗದಿಗ ಕರದರುದಂ ತಾ
ಕರುಣಿಸಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರುತಿಗತಿಗಳ ಮಾತೆ ಕಮನೀಯ ಸಪ್ತ ಸ್ವರ ಸುಪೂಜಿತೆ ಕಮನೀಯ ಸಪ್ತ ಸ್ವರ ನಿಗರಿ ನಿಸ ನಿದ ನಿಸ ನಿದ ಪಮ ಪದ ನಿದ ಪಮ ಗರಿ ಗಮ ಗಮ ಪಮ ಪದ ಪದ ನಿಸ ಕಮನೀಯ ಸಪ್ತ ಸ್ವರ ಗರಿ ಸನಿದ 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 ಪಮ ಗರಿ ನಿದ ಪಮ ಪಮ ಗ ಪಮ ಗರಿ ಸನಿದ ಸ ರಿ ಗ ಮ ಪದ ಗಮ ಪಮ ಪದ ಪದ ನಿದ ನಿದ ಕಮನೀಯ ಸಪ್ತ ಸ್ವರ ಗರಿ ನಿರಿ ನಿರಿ ನಿದ దని దని ద మద మద మగరి ని రి గరి గమ గమ ద మదని గరి దని ద గరి సరి సని సని ద పదని రి గమ గరి సని ద గమ పదని స కమనీయ సప్త స్వరా దని సరి గరి సని రి సని ద సని ద ప దని సని ద పని ద ప మ ద ప మ గ హరి గరి గమ గమ ప మ ప దని స రి స సని ని ద ద ప గ మ ప మ ప ద ప దని గ రి స ని ద గ రి స ని ద గ రి స ని ద రి స ని ద ప రి స ని ద ప రి స ని ద ప స ని ద ప మ స ని ద ప మ స ని ద ప మ కమనీయ సప్త స్వర సుపూజితే కావ్యగాన కళా స్వరూపిణి కామితదాయిని కళ్యాణి జనని కావ్యగాన కళా స్వరూపిణి కామితదాయిని కళ్యాణి జనని శృంగపురాధీశ్వరి శారదే శుభమంగళే సర్వాభీష్టప్రదే శృంగపురాధీశ్వరి శారదే 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 శారదే
Vedika now proceeds with the Devarnama Yadavaraya, which describes Krishna, the chief of the Yadava, playing his flute in Brindavana. It says, O Madhusudana, Radha and all the Gopikas worship you. The Devas and Apsaras forget themselves in the happiness of your music. In Krishna's hands is the flute in which he plays his Saptaswaras. Even the gods in the sky and the sages enjoy the music. It also depicts the scene where the Lord Adikeshava turns slowly and gives his darshana to Kanakadasaru through a small hole in a temple wall. Yadavaraya in Raga Ragamalika Tala Adi, composed by Sri Kanakadasaru.
Ma
Ranjani, Mridu Pankajalochani, which describes Devi as Ranjani, Shri Ranjani, Megha Ranjani and Jana Ranjani. It means, O Mother, you are the delightful one who has eyes like tender lotus petals, who speaks beautifully, delights in the music of Samaveda, and takes care of your devotees and washes away our sins. In Raga Ragamalika, Tala Adi, composed by Tanjavur Shankara Iyer, Ranjani Mridu Pankajalochani.
Vivo
Before we conclude today's event, I would like to take this opportunity and thank all those who have helped make this event possible. On behalf of the artists, I would like to thank Guru Srimati Revati Narasimhan, Sri Narasimhan and Vidushi Deepa Shrikant for this lovely opportunity and constant support and guidance. I would like to thank the core team, Samyukta Akka, Karuna Akka, Aditi Akka, Shreya Akka and Shri Ramya Akka for their valuable efforts in organizing this event. I would also like to thank the dancers who have performed today for their beautiful, energetic and expressive renditions. And lastly, I would like to thank all of you for watching this program and supporting the dancers. I hope you enjoyed it. Shreya will now conclude this evening's performance with a Tilana in Raga Kannada, Tala Rupaka, composed by Sri Ramanathapuram Srinivasa Iyengar.
தோம் ததார தானி ததிரன திரன தோன்றதனி 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 தோம் ததார தானி ததிரன திரன தரதனி 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 தோம் ததார தானி ததிரன திரன தோன்றதனி 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 தோம் ததார தானி ததிரன திரன தரதனி தோம் ததார தானி ததிரன திரன தோன்றதனி 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 தோம் ததார தானி ததிரன திரன தரதனி தோம் ததார தானி ததிரன திரன தோன்றதனி 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 தோம் ததார தானி ததிரன ಧಿರನ ತೋಂ ದಾನಿ ತೋಂ ತದಾರ ತದರ ದಾನಿ ತೋಂ ದದಾರ ತದರ ದಾನಿ ತೋಂ ದದಾರ ತದರ ದಾನಿ ದೀಟ್ಲಾಂ ದೀಟ್ಲಾಂ ತಾಂ ತಾಂ ತರಿಂಗಿಡ ತೋಂ ತದಾರ ತಾನಿ ತದಿರನ ಧಿರನ ತರರಾನಿ ತೋಂ ತದಾರ ತಾನಿ ತದಿರನ ಧಿರನ ತರರಾನಿ ತೋಂ ತದಾರ ತಾನಿ ತದಿರನ ಶ್ರೀಕರ ಕರುಣಾಕರ ವರ ಶ್ರೀಧರ ಮುನಿ ಜನ ವಂದಿತ ಶ್ರೀಕರ ಕರುಣಾಕರ ವರ ಶ್ರೀಧರ ಮುನಿ ಜನ ವಂದಿತ ಶ್ರೀಹರಿ ವರದ ದುರಿತಹರ ಶ್ರೀ ರಘುವರ ಮಾ ಪಾಲಯ ಶ್ರೀಹರಿ ವರದ ದುರಿತಹರ ಶ್ರೀ ರಘುವರ ಮಾ ಪಾಲಯ ಶ್ರೀಕರ ಕರುಣಾಕರ ವರ ಶ್ರೀಧರ ಮುನಿ ಜನ ವಂದಿತ ಶ್ರೀಹರಿ ವರದ ದುರಿತಹರ ಶ್ರೀ ರಘುವರ ಮಾ ಪಾಲಯ ತಾಂ ತಕಿಟ ತಧಿಮಿ ಧಿಮಿ ತಜೋ ತಜಂ ಜಂ ತಕಧಿಮಿ ತಾಂ ತಕಿಟ ತಧಿಮಿ ಧಿಮಿ ತಜಂ ತಜಂ ಜಂ ತಕಧಿಮಿ ತಾಂ ತಕಿಟ ತಧಿಮಿ ಧಿಮಿ ತಜಂ ತಜಂ ಜಂ ತಕಧಿಮಿ ಕಮದನಿ ಸರಿ ಗಮರಿ ಸನಿ ಪತಕಿಟ ದಿಕಿಟ ತುಂ ತದಿಗಿಣ ತುಂ ಕಮದನಿ ಸರಿ ಗಮರಿ ಸನಿ ಪತಕಿಟ ದಿಕಿಟ ತುಂ ತದಿಗಿಣ ತುಂ ಕಮದನಿ ಸರಿ ಗಮರಿ ಸನಿ ಪತಕಿಟ ದಿಕಿಟ ತುಂ ತದಿಗಿಣ ತುಂ ತುಂ ತದಾರ ತಾನಿ ತದಿರನ ಧಿರನ ತುಂ ದಾನಿ ತುಂ ತದಾರ ತಾನಿ ತದಿರನ ಓಂ ತದಾರ ತಾನಿ ತದಿರನ ಓಂ ತದಾರ ತಾನಿ ತದಿರನ ಆ